Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to open a Power Query in a Power BI. Now once you have your Power BI desktop opened up, I want you to come here at the top panel and click on Home. Okay? Now here, I want you to click on Transform Data. As you can see, once we click on this, it says right here we're going to be using the Power Query Editor. So just go ahead and click on this, Transform Data. And right here, this basically opens up the Power Query Editor, and you can easily come here and transform your data. As you can see, we have a bunch of options right here. You can right click these columns and remove rows. Okay, remove duplicates, basically clean up your data and transform it further. As you can see, I have done right here. Now, once you're done doing anything, make sure you go ahead and click on Close and Apply to save your changes. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.